Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook Exercise 6.1 Question number 8. If G is the centroid of a triangle ABC, prove that area of triangle GAB is equal to area of triangle GBC equal to area of triangle GCA, that is equal to 1/3 of the area of the triangle ABC. Now look at this figure. The triangle ABC given and the centroid G also given. Now the position vector of point A, B and C are vector A, vector B and vector C respectively. Now here G is the centroid. This is the centroid of a triangle ABC. Now we can say O is your origin. OG, vector OG is vector A, vector B, vector C by 3. Here now area of triangle GAB. Here area of triangle GAB is equal AB vector AB into vector AG, which is equal AB, you can say OB vector minus OA cross product of OG minus OA. Therefore we can say it is now is equal vector B minus vector A cross A plus B plus C by 3 minus vector A equal vector B minus vector A cross, here A plus B plus C is there, 3 is cross multiplied here, that is 3 minus 3A, so it becomes minus 2A. Therefore vector B plus vector C minus 2 vector A over 3 equal 1/3 vector B minus vector A into vector B plus vector C minus 2 vector A. Now let us multiply each terms here. Here with vector B with all the 3 terms, like here vector B plus vector B vector C and minus 2 vector B vector A. With minus vector A we will multiply the things, every terms in the second portion. It is vector A vector B minus vector A cross vector C minus minus plus 2 vector A into vector A. Here vector B cross vector B is 0. Now we will write 1/3 vector B cross vector C, and here 2 vector B cross vector A we can write plus 2 vector A cross vector B. For commutative you have to change the sign, and minus vector A cross vector B. Here then minus vector A cross C, you can say plus vector C cross vector A, and it becomes 0. Cross product of vector A and vector A is 0. Now we'll write in order. Here A 2 vector A minus 2 vector A cross vector B minus vector A cross vector B is 1 vector A cross B. Vector A cross vector B plus vector B cross vector C plus vector C cross vector A. Let it 1. Now similarly, area of a triangle GAC equal vector C vector CA vector CA cross vector AG. Here vector C cross vector AG is, we can write this as CA is OC minus CA. Actually this arrow mark comes this side. We need CA, we can write minus AC, that is CA cross AG is OA minus OC into OG minus vector OA equal vector A cross vector C into vector A vector B vector C by 3 minus vector A. Like similarly as before, vector A C into 3 B cross B plus C minus 2A. Here now 1/3 you can write A minus C into B plus C minus 2A. Like previous multiplication, we get the result of A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A. Like previous we got. Now next, this is a 2. Also area of triangle GBC is equal vector BC cross vector BG, which is equal OC minus OB and OG minus vector OB. Further, OC minus O is C minus vector C minus vector B. A, B, C minus vector B by 3. Not by 3 here. By 3 minus vector B. So which is equal vector C minus vector B into same vector A plus vector C minus 2 vector B. After multiplying and simplifying, we will get same 1/3 of vector C cross vector A plus vector B cross vector C plus vector A cross vector B. This is 3 from 1, 2 and 3. That is 1 is here. This one we are having area of the triangle GAB. We got 1/3 of A cross B, B cross C, C cross A. Like area of GBC also we are getting, and area of GBC as well as area of GAC all having same result. So from 1/3 we can write area of triangle GAB is equal area of triangle GAC equal area of triangle GBC. That is equal, we have 1/3. In order we will write A cross B, vector A cross B, vector B cross vector C plus vector C cross vector A. Now also or equal and equal we get, and also we can get and area of triangle ABC is area of triangle ABC is 1/3 of the triangle area of triangle ABC, because this three triangle, sum of these three triangle add up together gives area of the triangle ABC. So that all inside three triangles are equal. Therefore we can get it area of the triangle ABC is 1/3 of the area of triangle therefore, and this each area of triangle GAB equal area of triangle GAC is area of triangle GBC is equal to 1/3 of the area of triangle ABC. We have done, we proved. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.